Hiking isn't just a weekend activity anymore. It's becoming one of the biggest part of adventure travel. More people are leaving cities behind to chase mountain views, forest walks, and trails that give them the sense of freedom. But here's the thing. Writing a blog about the best trails normally takes hours because you would be researching, structuring, adding pictures, and fixing the SEO. But with autoblogging.ai, you don't have to do that anymore, and let me show you how. This blog that you're seeing right now on the best hiking trails was done in under minutes. It's SEO ready with proper headlines, images, infographics, and many more. And let me show you exactly how I did this using autoblogging.ai. Panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because it explains every setting so clearly that I don't skip on anything. Article title, I'm gonna type here the best hiking trails every adventurer should try. This sets the topic for the AI. Next, for the article language, Autoblogging supports 30 different languages. That means you can instantly create this blog in English, Spanish, French, Hindi, and many more. But for this one, I'm going to keep it English. The article length, here you get 3 choices. Short is best for quick updates or light blogs. Medium gives a good balance between detail and readability. And long is an in-depth detailed guide. For this blog, I'm going to go with medium so it has enough detail without being too overwhelming. Next, the type of article. Now this decides the structure of your blog. Informative creates a step-by-step style article. Listicle breaks it into a numbered points like top 10. Places organizes content around regions or destination. And service by landing page builds a business's focused layout with sections like features and benefits. Here I'm going to pick listicle because trails are easier to present in numbered points. Next, tone of voice. Now here's where you choose how the article talks. First person is like a personal story. Second person is like speaking directly to the reader. And third person is more neutral like a guide or a magazine. For this one, I'm going to go with second person so it talks directly to the reader. Next, the writing style. This sets the voice of the article. For this one, I'm going to go with conversational because adventure content should feel light and engaging. But auto is where AI adapts automatically based on the topic. Less AI words is keeps it simple and natural. Premium style 1 is SEO friendly formatting. Snippet optimizer helps the blog show up on the Google featured snippets. And witty is more playful, and professional is more B2B and a polished tone. So conversational. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intents optimize article. It organizes the headings and keywords so search engine understands the blog better. FAQs will pull in real questions people search on Google and adds them inside your blog. AI images will create visuals related to the topic and adds them with proper alt text. And infographics creates a simple charts or visual summaries to make the blog easier to skim. So you don't have to do anything manually here. You just have to tick on these boxes and autoblogging will automatically add them. SERP analysis. This is basically research done for you. Normally, you would check which blogs are ranking on Google to see what topics they cover and the copy that's structured into your own. With SERP analysis, this tool does all of that automatically. It scans the top ranking results, see what's working, and then builds your article with the same structure. Now you just have to enable this and quickly leave a note here in the source context box of how you want in the article. And in the SERP location, you can also select the country where you want to rank on top. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition copies the layout of high ranking blogs so you don't miss key points. External links add references to trusted websites for credibility. YouTube video will add a relevant video inside the article so the readers be engaged inside the blog. And key takeaways creates a summary box at the end for quick readers. Next, AI proofreading. This automatically fixes grammar, spelling, and flow so the blog reads smoothly without you needing to edit anything. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. Next, internal linking. This feature connects your new blog to older ones automatically. Let's say you already have blogs on adventure gear or camping tips. You just have to enable this and paste your domain here. Then auto blogging will automatically link those posts inside the hiking blog. That keeps reader on your site longer and helps Google see your website as more connected and trustworthy. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real editor to review the blog for the tone, accuracy, or fact checks, just enable this and quickly leave a guideline here for them. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credits which you can purchase anytime from the dashboard. Now, hit on Generate Article, click on the History tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here, click on that. Blog is ready with proper headlines, images, infographics, even a relevant video added at the bottom of your blog with proper FAQs. But if you want to skip the wizard setting, here's what you can do next time. Go to quick and single and just type in your blog title here, and with a fewer clicks you can generate an article. And you can also use a bulk generate option where you can upload 10, 20 or even 100 titles at once, and auto blogging will create all of them at once and even auto post them to WordPress. Adventure travel is about exploring more with less efforts, and with autoblogging.ai, writing about it is the same. SEO ready blogs with images, structures in under 3 minutes. And if you don't want to do it yourself, you can try a done for you blog service where we'll create and deliver the article for you. If this video helped, hit a like, subscribe and comment which adventure travel trend you would like me to cover next.